Today I just wanted to discuss regarding one important heart disease, that is heart failure. Many a times most of the people think that the disease related to heart is only heart attack, but actually it is not so. Heart can have so many diseases, or patients can present with so many diseases concerned with the heart condition. It can be related to the heart attack, which is more common. It can be related to the valves which are present inside the heart, or it can be related to the muscle itself, or it can be related to structures surrounding the heart. So in that way we can have, or it can be a problem related to the electric current supply or electric supply to the heart, that we call rhythm disturbance. That means heart disease doesn't mean that it is only heart attack. There are so many conditions which can affect heart and result in disease. So one important aspect is heart failure. Heart failure, many a times the common perception is that it is end of somebody's life. So, but it is not so technically. Technically, the heart failure is whenever the heart fails to pump according to the demands. For example, when we walk, when we exercise, when it fails to pump according to the demands, we call it as heart failure. So these patients usually present with either breathlessness. Initially they present with breathlessness while they walk. Later they can present with breathlessness when they are at rest, or they can get up from sleep during night hours because of cough and breathlessness. They can present with getting easily tired, or they can present with giddiness. These can be some symptoms of heart failure. Then how to diagnose heart failure? So whenever we go to the cardiologist, when we have to do some basic tests like echocardiogram, ECG, chest X-ray. With these tests, and particularly with 2D echocardiogram, we come to know that whether the heart is functioning normally or not, whether its pumping function has come down. With that, we come to conclusion whether patient is suffering from heart failure. Then next question comes, whether we have a treatment for heart failure. As we have a very advanced treatment for heart attack, now even we have a lot of advanced treatment available for the treating patients with heart failure. We initially we try to modify the diseases which have caused the heart failure, and we specifically give certain medications which are meant for heart failure, and we ask the patients to follow certain diet restrictions like salt restriction and fluid restrictions like water intake. Those things we advise them. And there are advanced treatment modalities available like cardiac resynchronization therapy, and in severe cases in young individual, even we have the option of heart transplantation so that they can lead a normal life. Then next question arises, what actually causes heart failure? The most important thing to cause heart failure is either the previous heart attack which causes the damage of the muscle, so that can be prevented by doing a angioplasty at the earliest during heart attack. And patients with high blood pressure, those who have diabetes, chronic kidney disease, who are on dialysis, and those who consume a lot of alcohol, these are the people, smokers, these are the people who develop heart failure commonly. So if we take care of the risk factors and if we give the proper medicines for heart failure, patients with heart failure can lead a normal life, and in severe cases even we have the options of transplantation, heart transplantation and CRTD procedures. With all this, every heart failure patients can lead a comfortable life and with less symptoms, and his quality of life will definitely improve. My sincere advice to heart failure patients is be particular about your salt and fluid intake. You control your diabetes and high blood pressure. Visit your cardiologist regularly for changing your medications, and don't stop any of your medications, and follow the instructions given by your cardiologist so that you can lead a normal and comfortable life.